Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the cam. So we're starting with a circle that will be extruded 0.5. We have a hole in the center, and then we have this little cylinder with a threaded hole down through there. So it's got a 1/4 20 threaded hole. So let's start with a new part. So get this one closed up and go to new, standard IPT, create that. We will begin by sketching on the work plane, and we're going to start with our 4-inch diameter circle. I'm also going to put the 0.5 hole in the center. And on this sketch, I will also add in the piece we're going to extrude from there. Now that piece needs to be set up as 1.5 inches away, center to center on that piece. I'm also going to put a horizontal constraint between these two. That should make that circle go black. That means that it's fully constrained. At that point, I will finish my sketch, and I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to grab this part and the circle, but I'm going to extrude it in the down direction, and I'm going to put in 0.5. Similar to one of the previous ones, we're going to reuse that sketch. So we're going to open up the plus on extrusion 1, and we're going to share or make visible that sketch, and then you can make the extrusion here, and again that goes up 0.5. The last thing to do is to put a hole in there. If you want to turn that sketch off, you can turn its visibility off at that point. So I'm going to use the hole tool. If this is not green, you may have this set to red. You want to click on the surface and then use your concentric reference there to make it so it's perfectly centered. I want to do a threaded hole. I want to select 0.25 and then find 1/4 20 if it doesn't grab that one already. You are doing a through all hole. So if you are set to this, you want to go over to through all, and you want your threading to go through all as well. The total threading depth would then be 1 inch. So you want to do that. You want to flip it over. You want to make sure your thread goes all the way through. And then you can pick a color and then get that saved up. So we'll save this, and we're going to call this part cam. Hit save, and we'll pick up on the last part in the next video.